Hello, my dear students. Good afternoon, all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. This is your Tezipsa, my dear students. And today, what we are going to learn? Today, we are going to learn a revision of chapter number 9 or chapter number 10. Got my points, my dear students? Today, we are going to learn a chapter number 9 or chapter number 10. Understood, my dear students? Got my points? I hope you all are understood here. Got my points, my dear students? Today we are going to learn what? Chapter number 9 and chapter number 10, revision, measurement and times revision we are going to learn. Okay, so now before starting our revision, let's check as per our schedule. Let's check today's code, and then we will move on further, my dear students. What? Then we will move on further. Understood? Got my points, my dear students? I hope you all are understood. So my dear students, now here first of all I am going to present today's quote. What I am going to present? I am going to present here today's quote. Then we will move on further. So today's quote is what, my dear students? I am going to present here today's quote. Okay. So today's quote is: life is a succession of lessons which must be lived to be understood. Okay, my dear, life is a successions of lessons which must be lived to be understood. Got my points, my dear students? Understood? Got my points, my dear students? Life is a succession of lessons which must be alive, understood. Got my points, my dear students? So now first of all, here we are going to revision of chapter number 9. Okay, revision of chapter number 9. Got my points, my dear students? Chapter number 9. What is the chapter number 9th name? It's the measurement. Okay, it's the measurement. Got my points, my dear students? Understood what I am telling you all? This is chapter number 9, measurement. Okay, so now here we will going to learn a revision of chapter number 9. Okay, measuring in meters and centimeters. First topic is what? Measuring in meters in centimeters. Got my points, my dear students? So first topic is converting meters to centimeters. My points, my dear students? Understood what I am telling you all, dear, my dear? Okay, this is very important for us. Converting meters to centimeters. This is our first topic. Okay, I hope you all remember, my dear students, what I am telling you here. Okay, so 1 meter, my dear students, is equal to how many centimeters? 100 centimeters. Got my points? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Got my points? Understood, my dear, what I am telling you here? Understood all? So my dear students, first is what? 1 meter is equal to, see here, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeters. I hope you all remember, my dear students. Got my points? I hope you all are understood. Now we will move on further, my dear students. Okay, how to convert meters to centimeters? So 1 meter is equal to, my dear students, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Got my points? Understood, my dear? Then after a second meter is equal to 200 centimeter. Got my points? Understood? I hope you all are understood. Then after the third is 3 meter is equal to 300 centimeter. Got my points? 3 meter is equal to 300 centimeter. Then further 4 meter is equal to 400 centimeter. Okay, got my points. Then after 5 meter is equal to 500 centimeter. Got my points, my dear students? 500 centimeter. As like that, 1 centimeter is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 2 meter is equal to 200 centimeter. 3 meter is equal to 300 centimeter. 4 meter is equal to 400 centimeter. 5 meter is equal to 500 centimeter. Got my point? As like that, my dear students, we are going to learn to till a 10. Okay, so 3 meter is equal to 300 centimeter. 4 meter is equal to 400 centimeter. 5 meter is equal to 500 centimeter. Then we will move on further, my dear students. 6 meter is equal to 600 centimeter. Got my points, my dear students? Understood? I hope you all are understood. Then after 7 meter is equal to 700 centimeter. Got my points? 7 meter is equal to 700 centimeter. Then after, my dear students, 8 meter is equal to 800 centimeter. Got my points, my dear students? Understood what I am telling you? Then after, the last is 9 meter is equal to 900 centimeter. Got my points, my dear students? Then after, the 10 meter is equal to 10,000, means 1000 centimeter. Got my points, my dear students? 10 meter is equal to 1000 centimeter. Got my point? So you note down these all things, my dear students, what I am telling you. Okay, this is all important for us. Got my points? Understood? I hope you all are understood. Then after, the measuring in kilometers. Okay, then after, the concept of kilometers. Okay, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Got my point? This concept we are going to learn, but first of all, you have to note down this table, my dear students, these all things. Then we will move on further, my dear students, means measuring in kilometers. Got my points? So here is what? Convert to meters to centimeter. You have to write the name of the topic. Converting meters to centimeters. Got my points, my dear students? Understood what I am telling you all? This is all importance for us, converting meters to centimeter, 1 meter to till or 10 meter. Got my points, my dear students? But 10 meter is not coming in anything, my dear. So you should have to write at least 1 meter to 9 meter. Okay, if they all are asking to convert in centimeters to meters, so what you are doing that time? You are doing the opposite things. What, my dear students? What you are doing that time? That time you are doing the opposite things. Okay, means 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, 200 centimeter is equal to 2 meter, 300 centimeter is equal to 3 meter, 400 centimeter is equal to 4 meter, is equal to 5 meter, 600 centimeter is equal to 6 meter, 700 centimeter is equal to 7 meter, 800 centimeter is equal to 8 meter. As like that, my dear students, till to 9 you are going to learn as like that. Okay. Understood, my dear students? I hope you all are understood. Now further we are going to learn a measuring in kilometers. What, my dear students? Measuring kilometer. What is the kilometers? Okay, you means we will need a bigger unit of the measurement called a kilometers. Means a distance. Okay, we have to measure the distance. So that time, my dear students, we are going to use a what? Meter or kilometer or centimeter. But my point, if a shortest distance, so that time we are going to use a centimeter unit. If a distance, so we are going to use a meters. And if we are going to measure a longest distance, so that time we are going to use a kilometers unit. But my points understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Okay, measuring in kilometers. Put my points, my dear students. What is our new topic? New topic is measuring in kilometers. Put my points all. So 1 kilometer means, what is the short form of kilometers? km. 1 kilometer is equal to, my dear students, how many meters? 1000 meters. Got my points? Understood what I am telling you? I hope you all understood betterly, my dear students. Okay, I hope you all are understood. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Then after 2 kilometers is equal to 200 meter. Okay, 200 kilometers. Got my points all, my dear students? 2 kilometer. Then after the third is 3 kilometer is equal to 3000 meter. 3 kilometer is equal to 3000 meter. Got my points, my dear students? Further, my dear students, 4 kilometer means a 4 kilometer is equal to 4000 meter, my dear. Okay, 4 kilometer is equal to 4000 meter. Understood what I am telling you? Then after further, my dear students, 5 kilometer is equal to 5000 meter. As like that, my dear students. Understood? 1 kilometer to till a 5 kilometer. 1 kilometer to till a 5 kilometer. Got my points, my dear students? Now further a 6 kilometer is equal to 6000 meter. Okay, 6 kilometer is equal to 6000 kilometer. So my dear students, then after the 7 kilometer is equal to 7000 meter. Got my points, my dear students? Then after further 8 kilometer is equal to 8000 meter. Got my points? Further, my dear students, 9 kilometer is equal to 9000 meter. Got my points? Understood? I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Okay, so this is a measuring in kilometers, 1 kilometer to 2 till 9 kilometers. Okay, I hope you all are understood. We are going to write, we are going to learn, we are going to memorize as like that. Got my points, my dear students? What I am telling you, I hope you all are understood, my dear students. Understood? This type of these things we are going to learn. Okay, then after our new topic means a new things is what, my dear students? Measurement of mass or weight. What? Measurement of mass or weight. So now our new concept, new topic is measurement of mass. Okay, measurement of mass in bracket weight. Got my points? Dear, measurement of mass or measurement of weight. So this topic we are going to learn now, measurement of mass or measurement of weight. Understood, my dear students, what I am telling you? Measurement of mass or weight. Understood, all of you? So my dear students, now we will going to learn a measurement of mass. What is the concept of measurement of mass? Here is any things. Okay, kilograms are used to weight heavier object and grams are used to a weight lighter. Okay, lighter objects. So kilograms means what, my dear students? kg are used to heavier objects. Okay, my dear students, kilograms are used to heavier objects, means a kg are used to heavier object. And then after, my dear students, grams are used to weight, means grams are used to okay, my grams are used to a weight again. I repeat for you, my dear students, grams means its short form is what? G. Grams are used to lighter, lighter objects. Got my points, my dear students? Grams are used to a lighter objects. Got my points? This is important for us. And one more thing I forgot to telling you, dear. 1 kg means a 1 kilogram. Here is what, my dear? Here is 1 kilogram is equal to how many grams? 1000 grams. Okay, dear, understood? What I am telling you here, 1 kilogram, 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. Okay, no need to write a gm, only you have to write a g. Okay, you have to write a g. My points, my dear students, understood? Kilograms, kg are used to heavier objects and grams are used to a lighter object. Got my points, my dear students? Again I repeat, kilograms, kg are used to a heavier object and grams are used to a lighter objects. This is all method, means this all process is important for us. Note down this, my dear students. Okay, then after we will move on further, my dear students. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. Then after 2 kilogram is equal to 2000 grams. 3 kilograms is equal to 3000 grams. 4 kilogram is equal to 4000 grams. 5 kilogram is equal to 5000 grams. 6 kilogram is equal to 6000 grams. 7 kilogram is equal to 7000 grams. 8 kilogram is equal to 8000 grams, and 9 kilometer is equal to 9000 grams. Got my points, my dear students? Quickly note down these things. Measurement of mass or weight. Kilograms, kg are used to a heavier objects. Okay, grams are used to a lighter object. Got my points? And 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. Again and again I repeat for you, my dear. You have to memorize with me, dear all. Okay, dear, what I am telling you, you all understood? Then after we are going to learn a new topic, measurement of capacity. What, my dear students? Measurement of capacity. This is a next topic, measurement of capacity. So now here we will going to start a new topic, a measurement of capacity. Got my points, my dear students? So now I am going to write here the measurement of capacity. Got my points, my dear? Measurement of capacity. Okay, measurement of capacity. So, what is a capacity? Means a quantity, liquid, a quantity of liquid, liquid's quantity. Got my points? So, liters are, I am writing the descriptions. Liter, L-I-T-R-E, liters, means a short form is of liter is L. Liters are used to measure a large quantity. What, my dear students? Large quantity of liquid. Okay, my dear students, what I am telling you here, note down these things. Liters are used to measure a large quantity of liquid. And then after further, my dear students, further is what? Further is milliliters. Milliliters means a short form of what? Milliliters. ml are used to measure smaller quantities of liquid. Okay, my dear students, of a got my points? Now you have to write as like that, my dear students. Understood what I am telling you, my dear students? Okay, what I am telling you, my dear students, you have to note down with me. What? First is liters and milliliters. Okay, first is liter and then after milliliter, my dear students. Understood? First is liters are used to measure a large quantity of liquid, and second is milliliters, ml, are used to measure smaller quantities of liquid. Got my points, my dear students? What I am telling you, I hope you all are understood betterly. Okay, I hope you all are understood betterly, my dear students. What I am telling you. So this is of all things important for us, and what you have to do, you have to learn as like that, my dear. Got my points? Understood all? Okay, so this is a very important for us, and you have to keep it in mind. So now, my dear students, this is a chapter number 10, measurement of what? Measurement of capacity is here topic we have done. Then further we will move on our next chapter. Okay, if we have a time, so we will move on further. Okay, again I repeat, my dear students, what is the liters and milliliters? Liters are used to Liters are used to measure a large quantity of liquid, and milliliters are used to measure the small quantity of liquid. Okay, my dear students, so 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliters. Got my points? 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Got my points, my dear students? Understood? I hope you all are understood. Okay, so now my dear students, here we have done a chapter number 10 of revision of chapter number 10. Then after we will move on to chapter number 10 in next session. Understood? So my dear students, I hope you all are understood. Again and again I am telling you, that's why, my dear students. And thank you so much all of you, my dear students, watching this video. Thank you all. Thank you, my dear.